Yeah, sometimes customers ask me about the vents around the side of the house. We've just finished pumping this job here, and you can see that vent there has got some cellulose stuck in it, and so it's pretty simple. Like it won't, once we've cleaned it out of there, it won't keep coming down. But I'll just show you. We've just got a little garden blower here. Yeah, done, clean, and from our point of view, it's always good to see a little bit of fluff on those because it means we've got right to the edge. But we just give them a clean out like that, and then that'll never get any more fluff on it because it won't move around or blow around or settle. So once we've blown it out like that, it's all done.